Good morning children, welcome to St. Claret online classes. Every day we discuss IIT chemistry in 7th class. What is first unit children? Basic terminology. Basic terminology. How many classes over children? 4 concepts over. What is first concept? What is first concept children? Terms in chemistry. Second concept electropositivity and electronegative elements. Third concept valency. Fourth concept oxidation number. Fifth concept, what is fifth concept? Radicals or ions. All of you listen properly children. Write down notes. Okay. First, previous class we learned what is radicals. What is radicals or ions? What is definition of the ion children? What is definition of the ion? What is definition of the ion? Very good. The charged species which are formed lose or gain of electrons during the formation of chemical compound is called ion. Chemical compound or ion. Compound or ion. So, what is definition of the ion? What is definition of the ion children? The charged species which are formed lose or gain by electrons during the formation of compound or ion. Before class we learned what is definition of the ion. The charged species which are formed lose or gain by electrons during the formation of compound or ion. Next, ions are classified into two types. First, cations. Second one, anion. What is cation children? What is cation? Very good. Positive charged ions. Positive charged ions are called cations. Negative charged ions are called ions. Positive charged ions are called cations. Negative charged ions are anions. Ions are classified into two types, cations and anions. Cations mean positive charged ions. Anions mean negative charged ions. Here ions, so many examples we learned. What is examples of ions? Some ions having some positive ions, some negative ions. What is examples of ions children? What is examples of ions? Before class we learned what is definition and examples also. For example, Li +1, sodium +1, next magnesium +2, next aluminum +3, chlorine -1, fluorine -1, bromine -1, N -3, O -2. Those all are ions. What is definition of the ions? The charged species to form lose of electron or gain of electron during the formation of ions is called definition of ion. Those are the examples of ions. So ions are classified into two types. First cation, second one anion. Cations mean positive charged ions. Those are cations. Ni +1, Na +1, next Mg +2, Al +3. Positive charged ions are in cations. Negative charged ions are in anions. Those are anions. Cl -1, F -1, Br -1, N -3, next O -2. Those are types of ions. Next we learn classifications of ions. Classifications of ions are how many types children? Say very good. Classifications of ions are two types. First First one, simple ion. Classifications of ions, two types. First, simple ion. Second, compound ion. Simple ion or compound ion. Simple ion, what is definition of the ion? The ion consists of two or more same atoms. Same atoms. Simple ion contain two or more same atoms. Two or more same atoms. For example, S minus 2, O minus 2, next O3 minus 1 by 3, next O2 minus 2. So here, what is definition of simple ion, children? The ion consists of two or more same atoms. The ions consists of two or more same atoms. Contain two or more same atoms. Here sulfur 2, here oxygen 2, here oxygen 3, here O minus 2. So those are the simple ions. Simple ions mean two or more same type atoms. The combines of two or more. Simple ion consists of two or more same atoms. Two or more same atoms. The combines of two or more same atoms. What is compound ion, children? The compound ion consists of two or more different atoms. Different atoms is having single unit. Is having single unit. Compound ion consists of two or more different atoms. Is having single unit. For example, OH minus, hydroxy ion. Here different atoms is there, no? Two or more different atoms. Here compound ion contain two or more different atoms. Simple ion contain two or more same atoms. Two or more same atoms. Compound ions contain two or more different atoms. Is having a single unit. For example, hydroxy ion having single unit. This is hydroxy ion. Examples of compound ions. Second one, hydroxy ions. Yesterday we learned some examples. Nitrate ion. Next, sulfate ion. SO4 minus 2. Sulfate ion. Next example, carbonate ion. CO3 minus 2. Carbonate ion. Next examples, carbonate ion. Next example, what, children? Phosphate ion. PO4 minus 3. Phosphate ion. Okay, Nana? Up to here, yesterday we learned. What is ion, children? The short species to lose or gain of electrons during the formation of compound or ion. That is definition of ions. Ions are so many types. Those all are ions of it. Ions are divided into two types: cations, anions. Cations mean positive charged ions. Anions mean negative charged ions. Ions are classified into two types: simple ions and compound ions. Simple ions and compound ions. Simple ions mean the combination of two or more same atoms. Here compound ions mean the combination of two or more different atoms. Is having single unit. Hydroxy. Examples of compound ion: hydroxy ion, nitrate ion, sulfate ion, carbonate ion, next phosphate ion. Okay, children. Next we are discussed what is criss-cross method. Listen properly, children. Very simple. Criss-cross method. We are discussed now. Criss-cross method. crisscross method? Very simple, Nana. Listen. If you follow some rules, in crisscross method, first point, we have 4 points. How to find crisscross method? Follow that 4 points. First point, very simple. Identify the symbol of ion. Next, second point, write valency. What is valency? You know, children, the combined capacity of an element is called valency. Valency are equal to group number. If valency of metal are equal to group number. If valency of non-metal, 8 minus group number. You know valency, children. First, identify the symbols of the ion. Symbols in given compound, how many symbols is there? First, you identify the symbols. Identify the symbols of ion. Next, write. Second point, write the valency. Third point, apply crisscross method. Apply crisscross method. Next, fourth point, simplest ratios of the ion. For example, C2H2. For example, here how many carbons is there, children? 2. Here how many hydrogens is there? 2. You will get ratio like this, 1:1. Last point, simplest ratio of the ions. First, if you write crisscross method, follow 4 rules. 4 points. First point, what, children? Identify the symbols of the element. Identify the symbol. First symbol. Identify the symbol of ion. Next, write the valency. What is valency? You know, children, the combined capacity of an element is called valency. Next, third point, what, children? Apply crisscross method. Fourth point, simplest ratios of the ion. So we have discussed some examples, children. We apply the crisscross method. Every example write down in your notes, children. First example, magnesium chloride. Write down, children. Listen properly. Always find crisscross method. Listen properly and write down notes. Okay, magnesium chloride. Magnesium mean how many symbols is there in this compound? First magnesium, next chloride, Cl. Magnesium chloride. You know magnesium, children? What is magnesium valency? Magnesium metal or non-metal? Very good. Magnesium metal. Chlorine. Very good. Chlorine non-metal. So magnesium which group element, Nana? Magnesium second group element. Okay, very good. Magnesium second group element. So metals are having positive charge, +2. Chlorine -1. Okay, first point, what, children? In given compound, identify the symbols of the ions. First symbol magnesium, second symbol chlorine. First symbol magnesium, second symbol chlorine. Magnesium valency +2, magnesium oxidation number +2, chlorine oxidation number -1. Now we say +2, children. In magnesium, which group element? Second group element. So second group element, alkali earth metals, oxidation number of alkali earth metals +2. In chlorine, which group element? Seventh group element, chlorine non-metal. That time group number -8. Group number 7, chlorine, which group element? Seventh group element. Group number -8. That's why chlorine having negative charge. So here oxidation number of chlorine -1, magnesium oxidation number +2. Always write oxidation numbers, you know, children. First point, what, children? First point, identify the symbol of the ion. First point over. Next, here how many magnesium is there? First you should write as it is. Here number plus 2. There is no need write notation. Only you should write number only. Here magnesium oxidation number 2. Now second point, write the valency. So write the valency. First point, what children? Identify the symbol of the ion. First symbols identify the symbols. After what you should identify? Write the valency. Magnesium valency 2, chlorine valency 1. After that, what third point? Apply crisscross method. Crisscross method means cross multiplication. Crisscross method means cross multiplication. Crisscross method means cross multiplication. 3 points over. Last point what children? Simplest ratios of the ions. How is find crisscross method mean? So Mg1. Here Cl2. Here 1:2 ratio. You do any chances there? You do simplify. There is no chance. That's why write as it is. So magnesium chloride formula MgCl2. Magnesium chloride formula what children? MgCl2. Do you understand now? How is write crisscross method? You know, first example what? Magnesium chloride. How is write crisscross method? Follow some 4 points. First point what children? In given compound, identify the symbol. Identify the symbol of ions. Positive ion or negative ion. Next second point, write the valency. Third point, apply crisscross method. Crisscross method means cross multiplication. In chlorine multiplication by 2, magnesium multiplication by 1. This one cross multiplication. Next third point, apply crisscross method. That means cross multiplication. Next fourth point, simplest ratios of the ion. Here any chances there? You do simplify. There is no chance. That's why as it is right. MgCl2. The formula of magnesium chloride MgCl2. And the example, all of you write all examples are very important. Second example, sodium carbonate. In this compound, how many ions is there? First, sodium. Second one, carbonate means CO3. Here, sodium valency. Sodium ion, which ion? Positive ion. Carbonate, negative ion. CO3 minus 2, Na plus 1. First point, what children? Identify the symbol of ion. Here sodium symbol Na, sodium cation. This is anion. So now we should write valency. Here valency means here ions. Here Na plus 1. We should write 1 number. Here carbonate 2. Ion you should write 2, 1. After that apply crisscross method. What form? Na2CO3 1. Na2CO3 1. What is form of sodium carbonate children? Na2CO3. Na2CO3. What is use of crisscross method? You find the compounds. This is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate formula what children? Na2CO3. Here magnesium chloride formula what children? MgCl2. Keep in your mind. Magnesium chloride formula MgCl2. Sodium carbonate formula Na2CO3. Okay? Do you understood children? What is crisscross method? If you do crisscross method, follow to some rules. 4 rules. First one, in given compound, identify the symbol of ions. Second one, after that, write the valency. After apply crisscross method. Next 4 points, simplest ratios of the ions. Next third example. Okay, write down children every example. First example magnesium chloride. Second example sodium carbonate. So problems, not examples, problems. Third one, write down children all of you. What is crisscross method? sodium plus 1. Oxygen valency 2, that's why minus 2. Metal having positive charge, non-metal having negative charge, that's why we write notation. But here sodium valency 1, oxygen valency minus 2. What is first point? First identify the ions. In this compound having 2 ions, one positive ion, one negative ion. One positive ion, one negative ion. Right after that valency, sodium valency what we know? Very good. Sodium valency 1. Which group element sodium? First group element. So first group elements hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. If you take any elements valency 1. Sodium valency 1. Here oxygen valency 2. Oxygen valency 2. Oxygen which group element? 6 group. So 8 minus 6 means 2. After that apply crisscross method. After that apply crisscross method. So this 2 multiplication by Na. So Na to Na, you know crisscross method children. I think you do in maths crisscross method like this only, like that only. Here O1. What is formula of sodium oxide? Na to O. What is formula of sodium oxide children? Na2O. First make this chloride formula NaCl. You always find formula by using crisscross method. Here sodium component formula Na2CO3. Next problem, fourth one. Fourth one, sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate. Fourth problem, sodium sulfate. In sodium sulfate, sodium means Na. Sodium means Na. Sulfate means SO4. Sodium sulfate. Sodium having plus 1 charge. Sulfate ion having minus 2 charge. Okay. Fourth problem what children? Sodium sulfate. Find the formula by using crisscross method. Find the formula of sodium sulfate. First in given compound, first write the symbol of the ions. So in this sodium sulfate, 2 symbols is there. Here 2 ions is there, one sodium ion, another one sulfate ion. After that write valence is 2, 2. Okay, here you take oxygen valence. Okay, after that apply crisscross method like this. These 2 multiply sodium, these 2 multiply sulfate. So after how is form? Na2SO4 2. So here 2 2 is there. You will take simplest ratio. Simplest ratio how is take here? 2 1 So NaSO4. NaSO4. This is formula of sodium sulfate. This is formula of sodium sulfate. Now problems write down children. Sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate. Next problem. All compounds are you should practice in draft book. First you should write down notes. After that you do practice in draft book. Next fifth one. Fifth sum aluminum oxide. Aluminum oxide. Aluminum oxide formula you know aluminum children? Al. Aluminum symbol Al. Oxide symbol O. Aluminum symbol Al. Oxide symbol O. Oxide means iron. Aluminum which group element aluminum nana? Third group. So aluminum having plus 3 charge, oxygen having minus 2 charge. Aluminum having plus 3 charge, oxygen having minus 2 charge. What is rule first? Rule number 1. Identify the symbols of the ion. First one positive ion, one negative ion. So first after that write valency. Aluminum valency 3, oxygen valency 2. Aluminum third group element. That's why write valency 3. Here oxygen is 6th group element. What is non-metal? That's why write valency group number minus 8 minus group number. So 8 minus 6 equals to 2. So apply crisscross method. Third point, apply crisscross method. So how is found these 2 multiplied to aluminum Al2 next O3. What is formula of aluminum oxide? Al2O3. What is formula of aluminum oxide? Aluminum oxide formula CO3. Next problem, sixth problem. Sodium phosphate. Sodium phosphate. Sodium phosphate. Sodium phosphate. In this compound, how many atoms is there? Sodium symbol Na. Phosphate PO4 minus 3. Phosphate PO4 here minus 3, here plus 1. Sodium ion, phosphate ion. Sodium ion, phosphate ion. First identify the ions. First one sodium ion, second one phosphate ion. Second one phosphate ion. Sodium ion में like valency 1. Next phosphate ion phosphorus valency 3. Phosphorus valency 3. After that write Crisscross method. How is find valency? Sodium valency 1. Next phosphorus valency 3. So apply Crisscross method. Na3PO4 1. Na3PO4 1. So this formula sodium phosphate Na3PO4. Formula of sodium phosphate Na3PO4. Do you understood now? Always write Crisscross method. Okay. First example, third example, sodium oxide. Sodium oxide formula Na2O. Next fourth problem, sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate formula NaSO4. Aluminum oxide formula Al2O3. Yes, sodium phosphate formula Na2PO4. Na2PO4. Next seventh problem. Seventh problem. Write down all problems now. Seventh problem. Hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide formula actually hydrogen mean H. Sulfide S. Hydrogen valency plus 1. Sulfide minus 2. Okay. Hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen symbol. So H. Sulfur symbol as. Find identify symbols of the ions. So hydrogen having positive ion, sulfur having negative ion. After that write valence. Hydrogen valency 1, sulfur valency 2. Sulfur valency 2. After apply Crisscross method. H2 S1. So sulfur hydrogen sulfide formula H2S. Do you understand now? Hydrogen sulfide formula H2S. Next eighth problem. Sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. NaHCO3. Bicarbonate means HCO3. Sodium means Na plus 1. Bicarbonate minus 1. Okay na? Here sodium plus 1. Bicarbonate minus 1. After first write valence here plus 1. Here 1. So after apply Crisscross method, both numbers are equal. That's why NaHCO3. Sodium bicarbonate. That is 8th problem. What na? Sodium bicarbonate. Next ninth problem. Calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate. Calcium means Ca. Which group element calcium na? Second group. Very good. So plus 2 ion. Phosphate means P4 minus 3. Phosphate means P4 minus 3. Phosphorus valency minus 3. Right after that write valency calcium valency 2, phosphate valency 3. After write Crisscross method. Ca into 3, phosphate into 2. So what is formula of calcium phosphate? calcium phosphate formula Ca3PO4. Next 10th problem, calcium nitrate. Calcium nitrate. Do you understood now? All problems do you understood? Very good. Calcium nitrate. Calcium formula Ca. Nitrate NO3. Here nitrate ion -3. Nitrogen -3 valency. That's why right? -3. Calcium nitrate. Calcium nitrate. Here calcium +2. Nitrogen here -1. Nitrate ion -1. First identify the ions. Calcium ion, nitrate ion. In symbol of 2. Here 1. Apply crisscross method. How is find NO3 2 into C. First you should write calcium. Ca 1 into NO3 twice. Ca NO3 twice. Calcium nitrate formula CaNO3 twice. Okay children, all of you practice what definitions, examples, next crisscross method problems. Next class some remaining problems we are discussed. Okay children, thank you. See you tomorrow. I send some bits, you do that bits children. Thank you. Bye.